Yes guys, so we're going to be replacing the cabin filter now. So on the Golf Mark 7, it's located behind the glove box. You got to open the two tabs. So located right here. So the first one and the second one. So once you push down the two tabs, this should come out, and then put it down, and the cabin filter is right there. So you push the tabs down from the top. Right, once you push the tabs down from the top, then you'll be able to take this plastic cover off, and there you go, access to the filter. Just gotta be aware of the down pointing arrow, so you gotta replace it, the new one, in the same direction. A side to side comparison, this is the new one and that's obviously the old one. Definitely needed replacing. So you can do a little quick vacuum in there if there's leaves or anything else. Yeah, let's chuck the new one in. Just make sure you got the arrows in the right direction facing down. Once you got it in facing the right direction, and then you can just put the cover back on. Done. And then just put everything back together. Gotta make sure you put this in correctly, like that, like so. Job done.